Also pulling money, till anyone, green in the grind, me and my dogs, house done the green, I wanna try anything.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is part 2 of the previous video. My clown white. And blend it. Especially that today I'm doing bold colors. I want the colors to really pop out. Wow, okay. Can you see that pigment, guys? Wow. Take a fluffy brush, spread out this pigment, remove the harshness. So you can go back and forth until you feel the pigment is satisfactory for you. Then this other eye. Shadow that we started with, I'll come and spread it a bit on the crease, like that. Then we take a flat brush, then go in with our shimmery shade. This is totally out of my comfort zone. And we blend it out here so that they kind of marry. Black eyeliner on my lid. You wanna bring that green. So guys, we are done with the eyes. Now we are going to the face. I'm going to start off with the primer. Just need a few drops. Yeah. You can use your hands or a brush. Like that. Then with the foundation, I'm going to mix the Fit Me number 350 and the NARS in Macau. I don't know how you guys say it. Macau, yeah. Then mix the two, then apply on your face. Then I'm going to take my concealer, the same shade Fawn. And some there. I'm going to blend this out as well. For the contour, I like using a foundation, a really dark foundation, darker than mine. So I'm using the Black Opal True Color foundation. It's a stick foundation. So once you do your contour, you can go ahead with your setting powder. I use the banana drinks. Then I set the areas that applied the concealer on here. So that was under my eye. Under my eye. I love setting, not really baking. I like just set with it, like just apply it, then wipe it off immediately. We're going to let it sit a bit, then we wipe off the face with some powder. Bless me. So for the lips, I'm going to do something very nude.